The New Mexico Home Search Grande Open House Weekend is a statewide event. All New Mexico Home Search MLSs and associations are participating. There is no cost to participate, and this event will be promoted to consumers all across the state. Realtors will be opening the doors to hundreds of the best properties for in-person and virtual tours all across New Mexico. To participate, enter your listing into the MLS by Friday, April 9th by 5 p.m. Claim your free profile by clicking Agent Login at the top right of the website. Utilize the Open House Weekend Toolkit to promote the event on your social media and website. Stop by GAR between Monday, March 29th through Friday, April 9th to pick up promotional items including balloons, yard signs, and brochures. Please reuse your signs from previous years. One weekend, statewide, hundreds of homes. Visit gar.com for more information.